Today I want to talk to you about iPhone 5C. It was first introduced in September 10, 2013. The phone is in good condition. It's used by my 2 years old daughter. Most of the native apps still functional and working fine. The clock app, world clock, everything, stop alarm, the camera app, the voice memo app, calendar, calculator, iCloud, Google Drive, photo app, note, Safari, Google Map, start direction, go.
Head southwest on Woodmont Lane, then take the first.
Find Friend, it's your native app that was disconnected and merged with Find Items or Find iPhone. The music app still functional. The podcast, you're still getting the latest podcast that you signed up for. The news app, still bringing the latest news. The weather app. I also have Roku TV and Fire TV to remote control the TV in the house remotely. Music app, another music app. The mail app still functional. Calendar app still functional. iMessages, FaceTime, and the App Store still fully functional. I would just want to say I'm so impressed that a 13 years old phone